In today's video, we are gonna diving into the art of web page design. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. We are gonna to break down an awesome HTML and CSS design from scratch. You will learn how to create a stunning navigation bar, a stylish search bar, and a sleek login form that's sure to impress. Plus, I'll guide you through every line of code to make it super easy to follow. So, if you are ready to bring your web design skills to the next level, grab your favorite coding snack and let's code something amazing together. HTML document structure. The doc type HTML declaration at the top specifies the document type and version, ensuring that the browser knows it's an HTML5 document. The HTML lang en tag defines the language of the document, which is English in this case. Head section. The head section contains metadata and links that are crucial for your web page. Meta charset UTF-8 ensures that your website displays characters correctly, supporting various languages and symbols. Meta name viewport, content width equal device width, initial scale 1.0, makes your website responsive, meaning it will look good on devices of different sizes. The link rel equal style sheet, href equal style.css. This tag links to an external CSS file named style.css, where all your styles are defined. Title web page design sets the title of your web page, which appears on the browser tab. Body section. The body tag holds all the visible content on your web page. Main container. Div class equal main. This is the main container that wraps the entire content of the page. Navigation bar. Div class equal navbar contains the navigation elements including your website logo and menu. H2 class equal logo. Medo naz displays the website's logo as text. The UL and LI tags create a navigation menu with links such as home, about, service, blog, and contact. Div class equal search contains a search bar with an input field and the search button. Content section. Div class equal content contains the main content of the page. The H1 tag displays a heading with a span element that highlights the word development. P class bar is a paragraph tag that holds placeholder text, often used to represent where actual content will be. Button class CN with a link href and join us is a call to action button encouraging users to join. Login form. Div class equal form contains the login form. The form asks for an email and a password and includes a login button. There is also a link for users who don't have an account to sign up. P class equal LIW login with introduces social login options, allowing users to log in using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google, and Skype. Last but not least, icons for social media icons. The script at the end, the script source, and this link includes icons, a library that provides the social media icons used in the login form. Now let's break down the CSS code step by step. First, resetting default margins and padding. The asterisk selector targets all HTML elements on the page. Setting margin 0 and padding 0 ensures that all default margin and padding are removed, creating a clean slate for styling. Number 2. Main section styling. That main represents a main section that spans the full width 100% of the viewport and the full height 100 ph. Background combines a linear gradient with a background image. The gradient darkens the top and bottom halves of the section. The image website background.jpg is centered, covers the entire area, and doesn't repeat. Navbar styling. .navbar is a navigation bar with a fixed width of 1200 pixels and a height of 75 pixels. Margin auto centers the navbar horizontally within its container. Navbar icon, menu, and search. .icon, .menu, and .search are floated to the left to align them side by side within the navbar. Each has a height of 70 pixels. Icon section. .icon has a width of 200 pixels. .logo sets the color to this one, which is orange. Uses a large font size 35 pixels and applies padding for proper spacing. And now menu styling. Dot menu has a width of 400 pixels. The UL uses flexbox to center its list item horizontally and vertically, removing the default list styling. LI elements are spaced with a margin and set to a font size of 14 pixels. A links are styled with white text, bold fonts, and no underline, changing to orange on hover. Then search box. Dot search sets the width of the search box container and positions it. .srch styles the search input field with a transparent background, orange border, and rounded corners. .btn styles the search button with a matching orange background and border. It also changes color on hover. Now content styling. .content is the main content container centered with a fixed width and white text color. H1 and .bar style the heading and paragraph text setting their fonts, size and spacing. .cn styles a button with a bold orange background that changes to white on hover. Span highlights text in orange with a large font size. Form styling. .form is the form container with a fixed size, dark gradient background and rounded corners. H2 styles the form heading with a bold orange text on a white background. Input fields are styled with a transparent background, orange underline, and no border, with text in white. .btnn is a form button with a similar style to other buttons, changing to white on hover. .link and .liw style text links within the form. .icons style icons with the white color, changing to orange on hover. That's it for today's walkthrough of the website I've just completed using HTML and CSS only. I hope you enjoyed seeing the final product and that it gave you some inspiration for your own projects. We have covered everything from the basic structure to styling and layout, and I'm thrilled to share the result with you. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps me out and motivates me to create more content like this. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated on my latest tutorials, tips, and project showcase. I'm always eager to hear your feedback, so feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future videos. If there is something specific you would like to see or learn about next, let me know. Those of you who are interested in diving deeper into web development, be sure to check out this video, which will appear in the eye icon. For more tutorials and resources, I have got plenty more content planned and I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding and stay creative.